Alex, this is Team B Breezy. We're having our team meeting right now and you're missing the meeting. We have something really important to say to you.
Hey Alex, I hope you're enjoying your time there. I hope you're gonna have a good time for your wedding. I hope you will be more hungover than I am right now, which will turn out to be a pretty good party. I wish you all the best in your marriage and I wish you all the best in your future.
Hey Alex, really glad to be on this team with you. It's been a pleasure working with you, and I'm really excited for your marriage, dude. Have a lot of fun, I hope whatever path you go down in the future, I hope that you start your own company, and I want to see like what Mr. and Mrs. Onsager have to offer the world.
Hi Alex, this is Jenny. I know in the future you will become the best CEO and have the best startup. And don't forget about us, hire us, we're the Team B. No matter when you need help, we will fight with you and have you back. Have the best wedding.
Hey Alex, it has been a total pleasure and honor learning from you this quarter. And last, I can't say enough about what you've done for this team. Have an incredible wedding. We're all excited for you. We miss you, but we'll see you next week.
Now we have some special guests to the meeting today.
Alex, Katie, congratulations. May all your days be breezy.
Hey Alex, it's Mike Morosco. Just wanted to say congratulations as you begin this new chapter in your life as a married person. Have a great time this weekend at what is always a phenomenally memorable event, being your wedding.
Hey Alex, congratulations on your marriage. It's a big day for you. You've been a great member of the Breezy team, and best wishes to you and your bride.
A huge congratulations to Alex and Katie from the new Kellogg building here at Northwestern University. I wish you both a long and happy marriage and enjoy your time in Florida.
Alex, don't drop the ring for the wedding. Alright, and congratulations.